honestly, mic men are not really considered really high. They're not really highly rated in Trinidad. Yeah, highly rated for making noise. But at least people will say, well, you know, they would sit and think. You know, these people with these two horns on these vehicles who we think is be making us such a noise, they're really not that bad. They really serve a purpose somewhere in there. You know? Because going down to the competition yesterday, a guy stopped and looked at me, hey, Molly, just going to make us such a noise. I say, thanks. What could I say? It is noise. But for us, it's music to our ears. That's how we see it.